Welcome students, Standard 5th, Subject EVS 1. Lesson number 7. Let us solve our own problems. Children, you know that in this lesson we are discussing about various issues in our civic life. That means various problems which we find surrounding us. Shramadhan is a voluntary contribution of labor which was given by the people of village Kudawadi in Usmanabad district from our Maharashtra. So in this village, the people those are living, they decided that themselves they will participate into the cleaning of that village. They had also done the waste water management and the garbage which was collected in that village used to make the manure using the vermiculture. Again, a toilet was also built in each house. So themselves by Shramadhan, those people have solved their own problem. Sant Gadge Baba. He used kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness. Education, self-reliance are the important things which we should follow. He showed that how clean villages through his own actions. Even Rashtrasanta Tukdoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Grita. Children, there is a great importance of maintenance of peace in our surrounding. For a society to be peaceful, the basic need of all its sections need to be met. Each person must get a necessary security. The exploitation of the society must be stopped, and for that inequality must decrease. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life. By learning the importance of peace and by using the peaceful methods, we can create a peaceful environment. In order for peace to spread worldwide, 21st of September has been designated by the United Nations as International Peace Day. So what is done on this day? On this day in New York City, where the United Nations have their headquarters, a bell is rung at 10 o'clock in the morning. This is followed by a few moments of silence. This bell has been made from coins given by the people from around 60 nations.